Interstate road transport ground to a complete standstill on Friday morning as hundreds of surrendered militants from the NLFC and ATTF laid a massive physical blockade across National Highway 8 at Hatai Kotor. The strategic blockade of the state's primary economic corridor was executed to protest the prolonged delay in the implementation of 250 crore quadripartite peace accord signed in 2024.
The blockading forces systematically targeted the winding hilly sections of National Highway 8, parking vehicles, raising flags and erecting human walls across the tarmac starting at 6 am. Within hours, the action choked the primary artery connecting the capital city of Agartala with northern Assam and the rest of India. The National Highway is the state's main pulse. By blocking the pass at Hatai Kotor, they are reminding both New Delhi and Agartala that 1,200 surrendered families cannot survive on empty promises alone.
Officially was in box halaika. Officially is in winding a sugi in box halaika. Okay. Borok being money bising tinas and Tanka, Department of Private Minister Honorable Vikas Devroma, the Chief Home Minister, Chief Secretary Borok, the Venison Boro, box halaika. Bob Lams Halaimani bising of Hono, Kisa Kisa Sini Oze, agreement ni Onosare. Borok aborinani bosika okay pray 100 to 80% of borok bosi na hata sini je o agreement is man phai sokai ta hinga hangai te kicha kaisa kaini bosini je nangku mani abo borok bosi ang mani bagai sing tini o jaga o bawatur ghantani sing portal sing lagti ge hitini ni sini abo sing sengi na tongo abo o je sini seng mungrok sini o sobaro sing je manya sano sing sini man khaino manya sano sing soba khai engai sing to je peace agreement jeng khaiga eko khaiga state government tongo aro saki nini o central government tongo hanga barok paisa to bena sing kok kaisa thangmani bageno sing to ahike thangai sing ungbo agreement thani khaiga engai sing tabu disibnei ngi tongkha sing agreement khai thimani disibnei ngi tongkha sing tabu o bisingniyo sini borok kebang mamasa amani ya angli birman angli tongnano turai jana turai atei khwai sing tongkha hingga ngai baksa bathika baksa batabu ranjai borok no ramoya koi sajari rika nge abuni tibo ang bomiao kopi sata usakango 9 tarik boti sata 11 tarik bo ang okok no tisata sini sing peace agreement ni bisingo sing tongtongo peace agreement period to sing tongi tongo ngai peace agreement period to sini borok je ek orho je bumung ganang list ganang sini kedar nang gofani bagi coba khaiga hani bagi coba khaiga hamjagai tebra sarokna ngai ta case to nang kebang mana tongnai ngai sini agreement to nang case no abo withdrawal ma khainai abo heke sini agreement sing jotono tongo hingga o agreement ni motabek no ang borok bai torkong layo sabo.
Despite the aggressive posturing and the massive backlog of stranded cargo, the Joint Action Committee maintained strict internal discipline regarding humanitarian needs.
Abo belai point no singka tamni bagi hingkai TNB chukting manbo central lo Congress government jora coalition sarkar state of जुत सरकार दङ बरबो चुक्तिके फैका बरबो हाइकेनो सरकार बायनो गदालै सामुं तांखा ठीक तत निजिनि जे पैकेज दे डेवलपमेंट नो खायनान थागा अंखाय सरकार सेख्लायनाय बा सरकार बायनो जों गोदालनानि नांगौ आनि मते हायनि बागै जों सरकारा आंनि जे व्यक्तिगत बरक बाय गोदाल खाता हायसे इनका अबो बाय अबो कानेक्शन करि हायफानो सिनि ककनो ताबुकसिन बरंगनां परिमल देव बर्मा तिनि ताको अलेन्द्र देव बर्मा जों अरा ताखोकताम दलथाम साननानि बिसिंथिनाय जों ता मानानि दिगिनो थाङै दङ माय आंलाक একটা आशा चिन्तानि दङै दङ ता
Sir, mana digi si asa si jat ngakai road block le tamuni sir.
जों रिटेनलि माया साया खारिया जों नायो रिटेनलि माने बरक सुंनो सैरिना नांनाय एबं मियानि मिनिट गोबांमा आजागावो उंखौ नुजाखा माने पजिटिभ न फाइका बरक मातिसाखौ अन्न दिनो 50 मिनिट दगलिया
Protesters actively cleared paths to allow immediate and hindered passage for ambulances, fire engines, and police emergency teams throughout the demonstration. Reported by Raju and Ashish from Hatekotor, Chini Khora.